Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. Very often when working on the projects, clients ask you to use some particular material which is not available in Revit library. Now your job is to make your client happy, so in this tutorial I will share how I go about making a custom texture in Revit. As a bonus, at the end of the video, I will share two ways of making renders. One long and not so good, and the second one quick and giving pretty good results. Please let me know in the comment section under the video how you like it, and please let me know what I need to improve in my future videos. I'm going to be sharing methods when working on real life projects, so stick around and consider subscribing. Let's get to work. Now we are in Revit. Let's open architectural template and draw 4 walls. Generic is fine because we're gonna modify them anyway. You can draw one wall. I just drawing 4 because I'm gonna use it in the render later in this video. Now let's go to 3D view. Let's hide the levels. We're gonna select the wall and edit type. Then we're gonna duplicate this type with a new name, brick, Chicago, comma. Hit OK, go to structure, edit type, and then let's find similar material. Let's duplicate this and give a new name. Graphics tab, let's go to shading and let's change the color to yellowish, since we're gonna use kinda yellow brick. And then let's go to appearance, and now we have to change those two pictures in this folder. Let's go to Go Measure For Me website. I have 3 textures for you to use. In Brick Collection you will find this texture for this tutorial. So once you click it, it will get enlarged. Let's save this image as a file on your local drive. And then let's go to the folder where you save this texture, and let's find this texture and open with Photoshop. In Photoshop we're gonna resize this image first, since it's over 5000 pixels wide. Let's do 512 because that's sufficient for Revit. Let's save this picture as a new one with a new name. And the next step is to remove all the color information from this picture we're gonna use this as a bump map. Once you have this black and white, you need to select all the mortar joints to paint them black. So I have all the mortar joints selected, I painted them black. So let's save it as a JPEG with a new name, bump. Hit save and you're done. Now you can close Photoshop. And now in the folder you have two files, color and black and white. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the color texture to replace the texture of the original brick. So find your color picture, place it there. Do the same for the relief pattern, which is bump. You can adjust relief amount if you want, but for this wall it looks fine. Just a little bit of indentations, it looks good. Hit apply and you're done. Here's for you a side note, how to get to the material properties from different places. You need to open a material browser and you can adjust here the size of the texture to match the real life size. This texture is made of 5 bricks across, which is approximately 43 3/8 of an inch. I'm gonna place this dimension here and the height will adjust automatically. You have to do the same for the bump map, since it's the same size, just a copy of the color, and then your mortar joints will align perfectly. So we're now back to our project, and now we have a new texture applied and scaled properly. So now let's preview as rendered. Splitting the wall. Let's select different wall. Let's apply different material. Now let's split this wall into different areas. Let's go to our wall elevation. It's a north wall, so I'm in the north view. I'm gonna adjust the height of the walls to attach to the level 2. Now let's place some reference planes as a guide to our regions. You can copy those reference planes, or you can offset this. You can offset and copy. Once I'm done, I'm gonna mirror this to the other side of the wall. Once you're done with making regions, do the split face of this wall. Draw the rectangular, apply, and then now let's copy to the all spaces. With the last space, let's edit boundary and make it bigger. Now in 3D view, you can apply our brick material. Don't forget to apply this also to the corners of this wall. And you're done. Rendering in Revit takes, in best quality, it takes some time. I think this render took me like 15 minutes. So now I show you, I think, the better way of making quick render to show it to your client. So now I exported this model to Twinmotion. Right now it's free for you to download, I think, unless they change their policy. So you just make a connection between Revit and Twinmotion and you can start applying your models, colors, or whatever you like. So here now I have photographer. I added a willow tree. I really like willow trees. These are my favorite. Floor, some concrete texture. I'm looking for a concrete. I want something smooth, so this one looks smooth. I apply this. And now for our photographer, we will give him transportation because he got over there somehow. He is a young guy. Pickup in red color, he likes to draw the attention. Adjust your view for the render. Eye level of this guy. Looks like he's fascinated with our wall. Let's capture him while making a picture of our beautiful wall. Once you're happy with position, recapture the image, go to export image and start export. In 5 seconds your render is ready. Quality is superb. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.